Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. This week I'm bringing to you an interesting product. I have back here a Yamaha which I'm building for Tuareg Rally, and we got some rubber frame pads. These are from Vibram, an Italian company. And why are these important on a rally bike? In rallies, we never know what's coming, so having some more grip on our frame can be fundamental and save us from crashing. This is why I'm gonna apply these and teach you how to apply them on the bike correctly. So first, let's look what you need to start putting them on. I bet you're pretty lazy and you'll never end up reading the instructions which are on the back of the package. So I'm saving you some time. I'm gonna show you what you need to prepare your bike to apply the rubber frame pads. First of all, you'll need a degreaser. So I'm gonna use the Motorex brake cleaner. I'll spray it on the frame. After that, I'll use just a piece of cloth to wipe the brake cleaner off, and so that everything has been degreased and is nice and clean. Then we'll need a heat gun or a hair dryer because we'll need to heat up the frame, especially now that's winter. After that, we'll use the wipe that's included in the package to wipe the frame, which this has a special adhesive product on. And lastly, we'll apply the rubber frame pads. So now let's move on to the bike and start applying the rubber frame pads. Once we finish cleaning the frame with the degreaser, as you see, some dirt came out even though the bike is new. We have this little rag which is included, and it has a special adhesive product. So now we'll wipe it on the frame and then we'll start heating the frame before sticking the rubber frame pads on. Now that we have finished wiping the frame with the special rag with the adhesive product, it's time to start heating the frame. Now that we prepared the frame and she's nice and hot, it's time to apply the sticker on. You want to start from the center, so first check the fitting, and then we'll start here from the center and then move on to sticking all the parts. We finished applying the rubber frame pads on the frame. Just a little pro tip, have with you always a cutter when you're applying any type of stickers on your bike, so that if you place them slightly wrong or there is any excess, you'll be able to cut the excess piece. Now we have better grip on this frame, so my friend Pierpaolo, which will be riding this bike in Tuareg, will ride safer. And if you're interested in this product, it's distributed in Italy by Athena, them, and I'll leave the link in the description. And if you live outside Italy, you can contact Rebel Exports, which always I'll leave the link in the description, and see if the rubber frame pads are available for your bike. Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building and nesting your weaknesses. I really hope you liked the video and maybe I helped you discover a new product you didn't know the existence of. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about these Vibram rubber frame pads, or if you're using them, if you're happy with them, and leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.